You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases once and for all correctly. A phrase from Latin, even though yes, it is originally from Greek. It was, said by Greek philosophers, Socrates and others. It means the meaning know thyself or know yourself, and use it to improve, meaning self-awareness essentially. The Latin pronunciation, classical Latin, could be pronounced a different way in Latin. We'll get to it in a second. Nosce te ipsum. Nosce te ipsum. Yes, the C in classical Latin is pronounced like a K. Now, in more modern Latin, that sounds more like Italian, nosce te ipsum. So if you hear nosce te ipsum, it's not incorrect. It's just a more Italian Latin pronunciation. Generally pronounced nosce te ipsum in English as well. Nosce te ipsum from Latin. Nosce te ipsum, know yourself. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.